Hi, I'm Kevin from Helpful Tutorials. I'm going to go through and show you how this brush can go through and clean your sink and shower very easily. And it is so powerful. All you have to do is connect it to a good drill. I recommend the Black+Decker 20-volt lithium drill. And with that and this, you can go through and take over. You might need some cleaning, and you can go ahead and choose your favorite cleaning solution. So here we're just going to go ahead and use cleaning solution. I'm using Lysol to go through and get the sink started. You get the drill and turn on the water, get it a little wet, and now you go ahead and just use the drill with the brush, and you'll see how quickly this just destroys the dirt and gets it all up. The good thing about the brush is it actually goes inside the drain a bit, so it's getting some of that as well. And you can see the sink was really dirty. It didn't look that dirty. I mean, this dirty at least, but it was definitely dirty. So now we're just going to go around the rest of the sink to make sure we get the rest off, and we should be pretty set. If you notice the water kind of coming towards you, you can reverse the way the drill is going to go through and spin, and that does help a lot. Let's go ahead and check out the shower. Now the shower's got all this yucky stuff on the ground. We're going to go ahead and spray it again. The stuff that I'm using is Lysol. You can choose whichever you like. And you should let it sit for a bit, but it really doesn't need to sit that much. As long as you have some water and that with the drill, it should go through and perform no problem. So I'm getting the drill a bit wet, and it'll go through and remove this stuff no problem. Now these clips are at 200% just to kind of go quicker for you. So these are 2x speeds, but you can see how quickly it cleaned that area already. Now I'm just getting the drill wet again just to keep the brush going, and we just keep doing this. I like this drill because it does have the batteries, and if you have two batteries, which I do, if one dies, you just flip it out, throw that one on the charger, and then you go here. Plus it also has a light, so if it's a bit dark, you can see and you can hit the spots easier. So you definitely want to go over your whole bathroom, your whole shower, and this will go through and get it clean. So I'm hitting up the drain there, and now we're pretty set. So I'm Kevin, and with Helpful Tutorials, and that is my review. Thank you. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.